Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can use Uniswap with Metamask and how you connect it Uniswap with Metamask, right? So first you need to add a Metamask Chrome extension on your Google Chrome. It's really easy to do that, and once you add it, then you need to set up 12-word recovery phrase and you're good to go, right? And if you want to connect Uniswap with Metamask, it's really easy to do that. So you need to go up app uniswap.org, make sure you are on Ethereum mainnet, and here it will be connect to wallet, and press connect and connect to Metamask, right? But make sure you are on the Ethereum mainnet. And then if you don't know how to buy a token on Metamask via Uniswap, so you need to be on this window. You need to just, for example, if I want to buy Kishu Inu, I can look basically by searching, and I can import it here, but sometimes it can not be you cannot find on search. So for example, if I want to buy .swap, it will not be on search. So what I need to do here, for example, I need to go on CoinMarketCap, grab the contract ID, go back on Uniswap, and as you can see here, import the contract ID, and now I can buy it. And of course, for that you will need to have Ethereum. So basically on your Metamask, so what you need to do here, you need to go on some sort of exchange. I like to use Binance because it has the lowest fees. And if you want to buy Ethereum, I will leave the link in the description below. If you don't have an account, you can register through me and you will get 5% bonus. And if you want to buy Ethereum and have on Metamask, you just need to select buy crypto, select currency that you want to use, select credit or debit card, put the amount here, and select Ethereum here. And once you have your Ethereum, then go on wallet, fiat and spot, and then go on Ethereum, select withdraw, go on Metamask, copy wallet address here, put it here, select network, withdraw from Binance to Metamask. And once you have your Ethereum on Metamask, then you can go on Uniswap and basically swap it here. Alright, so guys, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.